Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an LLC in Virginia. First, understand that an LLC, or Limited Liability Company, offers personal asset protection, separating your business and personal finances. Next, you'll need to select a unique name for your business that clearly indicates it's an LLC. Finally, every Virginia LLC must appoint a registered agent who has a physical street address in the state and is available during business hours to receive legal documents. Once your name and registered agent are set, the next crucial step is filing your articles of organization with the Virginia State Corporation Commission. This document officially creates your LLC. The filing fee is $100, and you can submit it online for a quicker process, often with same-day approval. Remember, this formal submission is what legally establishes your business entity in Virginia. After your LLC is formed, you'll need to get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business and is essential for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. While Virginia doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended. This internal document outlines ownership, management, and member responsibilities, helping prevent future disputes and reinforcing your limited liability status. To maintain your LLC's good standing in Virginia, you must pay an annual registration fee of $50 to the State Corporation Commission. This fee is due by the last day of your LLC's anniversary month. Beyond compliance, Virginia LLCs offer significant benefits, including robust personal liability protection and flexible pass-through taxation. These advantages make it an excellent choice for many small businesses. Be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.